Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. This is Xiaomi 13 I have in front of me, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can achieve more details for your pictures that you take with the default camera app on this device. So to put it in simpler terms, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you can increase the photo resolution or enter the high resolution camera mode. You can very easily do that by going into more modes over here and go for the 50 MP or 50 megapixels mode. And now each photo that you will take will have a significantly bigger resolution value, so you will be able to zoom into things, into your pictures, and see even the smallest details clearly. Let's check what resolution this picture was taken in. So yep, as you can see, the resolution is indeed very high. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.